Hey, how you doing? Hey, I'm just finishing up my 3-week road trip where I have been talking to thousands of people about getting out of debt, paying less taxes, and increasing their credit score. Last 3 weeks, I've been to 3 different countries and dozens of states, and what I found was most people are stressed out. And I think they're stressed out because their finances, and they don't understand credit, they don't understand taxes, they don't understand how to manage their money. Now, you may or may not know this, but I'm a retired fireman. I was a fireman in Littleton, Colorado. I've saved hundreds of lives. I was a first responder, actually a third firefighter at the Columbine High School shooting. And I did that because I want to help people. I want to make a difference in people's lives. My little brother was also a firefighter. And during that time that I was pretending to be Superman, saving strangers' lives, my little brother was struggling financially, struggling with his relationships, struggling with his credit. And unfortunately, my little brother took his own life because he felt that he couldn't make a difference. He couldn't fix it. Shortly after that, I started Fortress Credit Pro. Fortress Credit Pro is arguably one of the most successful credit repair companies in America. And over the last 13 years, I've made millions of dollars helping people fix their credit. But as I've been traveling the last 3 weeks, like I said, in 3 different countries, dozens of states, and I'm seeing people stressed out, I realize I'm not doing enough. There's a lot of people that simply just can't afford the VIP service that Fortress Credit Pro offers. And so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna offer it absolutely free. No strings attached. No monthly fee, no setup fee, no management fee, no deletion fee, 100% free. Now, how can I do that? Well, I've teamed up with Credit Mojo. Credit Mojo is a credit monitoring service that offers 7 years. It's one of the only monitoring services that offers 7 years worth of credit history. And they're gonna pay Fortress a little bit of money to refer business over to them. So we're gonna make a little bit of money, a couple dollars a month. The other thing is, because Credit Mojo and Fortress work so well together, there's an API that syncs your credit report into our software. So we don't have to spend, a dozen hours putting your case together. We can simply put in your username, password, hit enter, it auto syncs through the API, which is gonna allow us to be more efficient, which is how I'm gonna be able to offer this for free. But here's the catch. You have to have a monitoring account with Credit Mojo. You have to, because it's the only monitoring service out there that will API with my credit repair software. Now, Credit Mojo is gonna cost you $39.95, which is what you're gonna pay at Credit Check Total, MyFICO, and all the other credit monitoring service out there that offer you 7 years of history. Some of them are free, like Credit Karma, but it's not a real credit report. It doesn't give you everything I need. So if you want your credit fixed for free, sign up below. After you sign up, it's gonna take you to Credit Mojo link, and you can sign up for Credit Mojo. From there, you're gonna sign the contract that gives me the legal right to work on your items, and it's free. There's no cost. Everything will be blanked out, and then we'll be able to get your credit fixed. So if you're ready to get your credit fixed, and you're ready to make a change in your life, get your finances in order, get an 800 credit score like many of my clients have done, and join the 800 Club. Fill out the information below, and we'll get you started today. I look forward to helping you.